Hey, Alias here, and this is the Post-Apocalyptic script. The initial plan was to include more scripts and special effects in this one, but there were too many and would have complicated the syntax. Also, some scripts are using sound, some are not, and I didn't want to force users to handle a lot of files and sound definitions if they don't need or want them. So I kept only 4 special effects in this one, and the rest of them will be released by their own. The special effects we have here are the screen effect, the so-called fallout particles, the earthquakes, and the ambient sounds. They are more or less customizable. I try to keep them simple to use, so you don't need to waste much time tweaking them. First parameter of the script is the screen effect. If you don't want it, just make it false. If you want to use it though, make it true and tweak the values for the red, green and blue component of the color overlay as you desire. In my example, I used these values, which will make everything look reddish. Then we have the fallout parameter, which is boolean, and you can disable or enable, making it true or false. The third parameter is the earthquake. Again, if it's true, earthquakes will be generated in loop, and with this parameter called interval quake, you set how long the pause between earthquakes will be. With this destructive quake parameter, you can make the earthquakes destructive or not. Basically, with this parameter, you set the amount of damage a building will receive. Here, in my example, the building will be totally destroyed. Obviously, if you set it to 0, no damage will be applied. The last parameters are related to the ambient sounds. The sounds will be randomly picked from an array. You can see the array here in the file called alias post-apocalyptic SQF. The array is called sound pool, and if you don't want a specific sound, you just remove it from array, or you can add your own sounds. The sounds will be played in a loop, and you can set the pause between them, tweaking this parameter called interval sound. In my example, I set a 1-minute pause before the next sound to be played. The sound will be heard in the 3D space from a random position. This was it. Let me know in the comments if you have questions or suggestions. Until next time, have fun and happy editing.